Nataka unisikize na unisikize vizuri sana. Listen to me carefully. Najua ushinde ukijiuliza, why did God let the narcissist come into your life? Why did the narcissist choose you of all the people in the world? Why only you? It is because you are one of the God's chosen ones. The Bible clearly says, for we fight not against flesh and blood, but evil and spirits and principalities in high places. Shetani aliona the only way ya kukureach, kukudestroy is by using the narcissist. Remember what I keep on telling you, that the narcissist is the agent of the devil. Their sole reason ya kuja kwa life yako ni kukuja na kukudestroy. You should know this. God gives the hardest battles to his strongest soldiers. You are one of God's strongest soldiers. And that's why the narcissist alikuwa so interested kucomplete your task amepatwa na shetani ya kuja kudestroy. And guess what? Who is stronger than Satan? It's God. Hiyo ni kumaanisha ile task God aliintend ucomplete kwa hii earth, lazima utaikomplete. And that means in the end, the narcissist will be defeated. And that's why I propose, accept Jesus in your life. Hii battle yenye unapigana na huyu mtu sio ya flesh. Huyo partner wako mwenye ni narcissist ametuma na shetani. You cannot win on your own. You must have Jesus in your life to fight for you that battle. For the longest time, the devil has tormented you. And now that umejua una fight a spiritual battle, na alikuwa anatumia the narcissist kukuja kudestroy, nataka uchange strategy. Start going on your knees and fighting your battles in prayer by calling out the name of Jesus, to rebuke all the works of the narcissist. Utapata courage. Utapata hiyo motisha ya kutoka hiyo toxic relationship. Trust me, you won't make it on your own. And that's why you find it so hard. Uko na attachment ingine iko so deep. Your soul tie, your covenant, you're supposed to break it using the name of Jesus. Ile blood alimwaga pale kwa cross na kasema it's finished. All the unseen chains, the bondages zenye Satan alikuwa ameset forth kwa life yako using the narcissist, God amezidestroy. Yote imeshindwa in the name of Jesus. For relationship advice, enda pale kwa profile yangu. My number is always there. Once you talk to me, you'll never be the same again. Remember,